All right, thank you for joining us today. My name is Phillip Hansel, CEO and co-founder at AIOps. AIOps is a software company all about bringing artificial intelligence and machine learning directly at the factory floor. We implement and build software applications that enable control systems engineers to deploy AI for control, anomaly detection, time series forecasting, predictions, all of that stuff. We make that happen. We make that a real thing. It all got started back in 2019 when we really started to sort of grasp the concept of an item called deep reinforcement learning, what it was going to be able to do, does it have a place to live in heavy industry control or process control. And what we figured out pretty quickly was that it absolutely has a place to be, and it was going to be a game changer, not just for oil and gas, agrochemical, but all the way down to pulp and paper, manufacturing, the whole thing. The big question was, how are we going to integrate it? How are we going to actually make it usable in our day-to-day life as control systems engineers, as process engineers? How does that actually happen? In 2020, we had kind of solved that problem as a company. We developed a software layer called the Koios software platform. It enables you to run in real time, in parallel to your control system or DCS, PLC, or SCADA. And it allows you to deploy models in a very quick, nice and neat fashion. It's reliable, it's very sustainable, and it's safe. So we don't have any issues deploying those models directly on your control system. So some of the key features about our software is that we are a network device. We are hardware agnostic, so you can deploy us on a rack-mounted server, desktop PC, virtual appliance, 64-bit architecture, 32-bit architecture, it doesn't really matter. The choice is yours at the end of the day as to how you want to install our software. The big thing too to understand is the different types of machine learning or AI, or even really what those things even are. Many people are out there today saying that they do AI or saying that they do machine learning, but really what are the different types? And in reality and process control, there are really three areas that we tend to focus machine learning and AI. The first one is anomaly detection. The second one is time series forecasting, where we make predictions about what may be going on in a system. Is an equipment going to failure? Is an upset condition going to happen? Even soft transmitters, so you can have some backup to real life transmitters, or implement something that doesn't even exist. You can't buy it off the shelf per se, like is this bin plugging transmitter, right? You can actually build some of those with anomaly detection and time series forecasting. That is more or less what machine learning is, those type of regression models and other applications like that. And then you've got deep reinforcement learning, which is really the big game changer in process control, because I can't really take direct action on a valve using time series forecasting or direct action on a pump or any other piece of equipment using anomaly detection or time series forecasting. It really takes deep reinforcement learning to make that possible. That is the form of AI that we specialize in as a company at AIOps. Not only do we deliver you the software, but we can also bring in and channel in some of that expertise. Not only can we provide the service, but we can work with your workforce to then train and onboard you in that process to make things happen. So now that we know a little bit about the different kinds of machine learning and AI, what is it that you're going to actually need to get started? That will be the next topic of our next video. So please tune in. We'll discuss the different things that you're going to need to actually start and implement a project at your plant, your facility, wherever it is that you need to deploy it. Thank you.